Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the sort order dropdown on your WooCommerce shop page. This is particularly useful if you want to simplify your shop's interface and create a cleaner browsing experience for your customers. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site so you can access the right dashboard and make these changes. Once you're logged in, we need to install a plugin that will help us remove that sort order dropdown. To do this, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you click it, you'll see an expanded menu with several options appear. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin library where you can browse and install tools to customize your site. Now you'll be on the plugins page where you can see all the available plugins that you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. From here, locate the search bar and type in WP Snippet. From the search results, look for the plugin called WP Code Insert Headers and Footers plus Custom Code Snippets WordPress Code Manager. This is a powerful tool that lets you add custom code without directly editing your theme files. Click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Once you've reviewed it and feel ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once your page refreshes, you'll notice a new option in your left navigation menu. Click on Code Snippets. This is where you'll manage all your custom code going forward. From here, click on Add New to create a new snippet. You'll be taken to the Add Snippet page where you'll see different options for the type of code you want to add. Click on Add Your Custom Code, which is labeled as New Snippet. From the code selection options that appear, choose PHP Snippet since we'll be using PHP to remove the sort order dropdown. Now, this is the crucial part. I'll be presenting a code that you need to copy to remove the sort order dropdown on your WooCommerce shop. You can pause the video at this point to carefully copy the entire code and avoid any errors. Once you've copied the code, paste it under the code preview section. After pasting the code, look at the top right part of your screen where you'll see a toggle button labeled Inactive. Click on this toggle to switch it to active, which enables the code on your site. Finally, click on Save Snippet to apply your changes. And there you have it. The sort order dropdown should now be removed from your WooCommerce shop page, giving your customers a cleaner and more streamlined shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.